It's time to create some circuits. Since we have a panel in there and we have receptacles in there, it stands to reason we can complete a circuit. In my project browser, I'm going to scroll down to Power, Floor Plans, Level 1. Now I'm going to scroll into Office 101. I'm going to select the space, and I see that it's spaces space Office 101. So I know I'm good to make the circuit. So what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and select one of my receptacles. Notice that I can come over here and create a power system. So I'm going to click on Power, and we're going to create a power circuit. Now for the panel, I want to click the drop down. I want to grab PP1, Power Panel 1. Now I need to edit the circuit. So I'm going to click on Edit Circuit. I want to click Add to Circuit. Now I can add whatever I want to that circuit. Once I'm done selecting these, I want to go to my load name. Look at that. It says Receptacle Office 101 because it knows the room that the receptacles are in. I just want to get rid of the word receptacle. And it does an annoying thing where it gives you this drop down. Just click off of that and click Apply. Office 101, let's go into panel PP1, and we're good. So click on Finish Editing Circuit. Let's go down to MENS 104. I'm going to hover over this, and it looks like we didn't rename this space. So I'm going to select space 12. I'm going to go down to my properties of space 12. Now I'm going to make sure the number is 104, and the name is MENS. And I'm going to click Apply. For some reason, it screws up our little elbow, but that's okay. We can fix it. I'm going to select this GFCI. Now I'm going to click on the Power button. My panel defaults to PP1, which is good. I'm going to click Edit Circuit. I'm going to click Add to Circuit, and I want to make sure this one other receptacle is on there. I'm going to finish editing the circuit. Beautiful. I'm going to go to Office 103, hover over my space. Looks like we're good. Select this receptacle. I'm going to click Power. PP1 is where I want it. I'm going to click Edit Circuit. I'm going to select this receptacle and this receptacle. And I'm going to get rid of the name receptacle, and I'm going to hit Enter. Click Apply. Click Finish Editing Circuit. I'm going to do my hallway or my corridor. So I'm going to select my corridor space. I'm going to reassociate this. I'm going to zoom in on the number. So the number is 100 and the space is corridor. I'm going to click Apply. I'm going to zoom out, hit Escape, select my receptacle, and I'm going to click on Power, PP1, Edit Circuit, select our other receptacle in the hallway, click Finish Editing Circuit. Looks like we have two more. I'm going to select this receptacle, create a power out of it, PP1, Edit Circuit, click both of these. Now notice that we didn't change this load name. We'll just click into here and call this Room 25. Click Apply. Click Finish Editing Circuit. Do the same for Room 24. Power, Edit, Add. Room 24 will be the load name. Excellent. Click Finish Editing Circuit. A couple more things I'd like to do. So for example, if we have more receptacles in the corridor, we're not just stuck with the circuit. So I'm going to select this receptacle. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to create similar. I'm going to add one here. Add one to 45 just because I know we can. And maybe add one right here. Now I'm going to select this receptacle and we're already on a circuit. So I want to go over to Electrical Circuits. I want to click Edit Circuit. And we're going to go Add to Circuit. Now all we got to do is grab the ones we want to add. I'm going to finish editing circuit. One more thing I'd like to do is I'm going to select this panel here. Now I'm going to scroll down just to make sure we've got PP1 selected. And I'm going to click on Create Panel Schedules, and I'm going to use Default Template. Now we'll see that we've got Office 101, 103, Room 25. We've got our panel that's starting to form. So that's how you create a circuit.